My name's Leon Henry, Leon Pavihi Henry. I play for the New Zealand Breakers. Not very many people know what nationality I am. My dad is Cook Island and my mum's Afakasi, she's Samoan Niuean. So yeah, a bit of a mix. The first tattoo that I ever got when I was 18 years old, it was my kaurima. I love Samoan art and Niuean art. I've got these praying hands, the sun rays and clouds. I got this done in Romania. I played basketball over there for a year, and the quote is just Tua Malolo, Ka Maui Tangaloa, representing the Niuean warrior. Also got 2 islands here, Samoa and Niue, on different sides. Got my village in Niue, Tamakatanga, this is where my grandma comes from. Above it, where my neck is, it's Nofa'ali'i, where my grandfather comes from. And then I have a quote in between, it's kind of hard to read. My life is based upon family, love, loyalty and respect. Missing your family at times, you always look at it and just remember, where you come from. I've also got a Samoan sleeve here, got some on my hands. People were kind of like, why are you getting tattoos on your hands for? It's a bad image. I just felt like I wanted something different. Got the back, it's freshly done. This is 2 days ago, Pavihi across my back. The pinnacle for me is the be'a, and a few of my uncles have it, so I've always looked up to them, and they've been an influence on the tatau. So that's pretty much the space that's left, and I've been trying to design all the tattoos I have now around it, so I still have enough space for the be'a, and hopefully one day I can get there.